Sana. Good health. More birthdays to come. Love you. Ingat palagi. Mwah.
Tita, happy birthday po. Congratulations at hanggang ngayon po ay ano pa rin po, successful pa rin po kayo. And thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Alam na po ni Lord yun. And praying for good health. Enjoy po. God bless.
Tita, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Salamat sa lahat.
Hey! Happy birthday po, Tita Joanne. God bless po. More birthdays to come. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Joanne. Happy 18th birthday. maraming salamat sa mga blessing, sa mga tulong mo, sa mga suporta sa amin. Maraming salamat sa mga sakripisyo mo sa pamilya ni Erlan. Maraming salamat, Tita Joanne. Thank you po sa lahat. God bless.
Yung birthday mo sa amin.
Hello. Hello, Joanne. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat. Sa birthday mo sa akin. Ay, sa iyo pala. Sorry. Happy birthday. Thank you, ha. Sa mga lahat na binigay blessing mo. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday again, sis. God bless you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello, happy birthday. I just want to give a verse coming from the Bible. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. So again, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Me and my family wants to greet you. Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and long life.
Happy birthday, Yaya.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Tita Joanne. We love you. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Joanne. More birthdays to come. Take care always. I love you.
Hi, Tita. Dali, hi. Say hi. Hi, Tita Joanne. Dali. Okay. I hope you have the most wonderful birthday.
I hope you guys kasi ako na birthday.
You are more than just my aunt. You are true inspiration and a wonderful role model. Your strength, grace, and incredible wisdom light the path for everyone around you. And I admire you, or admire the way you approaches your challenges and genuine kindness that you show to us. Thank you always for being a source of guidance and encouragement. And I'm so lucky, and we're so lucky to have you in our life. Wishing you a day filled with joy and everything. And I hope you filled with joy and everything which is good that you deserve. And we love you, and we want to say happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Joanne.
Tita Lola Joanne.
God bless you.
God bless you, Tita. Lola.
Thank you,
Lola.
Tita. Yeah.
Hi, Tito Lola. Joanne. Good morning. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Shalom, shalom. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
We would like to greet our lovely auntie, Tita Joan. Happy birthday. We wish you a blessed and
Healthy,
health.
more blessed and healthy birthdays to come. Tita, please know that we are grateful and we appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you for all the help, for all the prayers. And please know that we are praying for you as well. Thank you po.
See ya. Come on.
Happy birthday, Joan! Can't wait to meet you in Canada. Happy birthday!
I love you, miss you, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joan! And a drink for you. See you. Love you. Happy birthday!
Have a great birthday!
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Joan.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.